Hi, we're doing a room tour of the Cliff House in Manitou Springs. This is a King Deluxe room. So as you go in, there's a little writing desk. This is the closet with a mirror. This is the windows that are, right now it's night, so their drapes are closed. This is the king bed with lamps on either side. The front door. We have a fireplace, which is really cool. There's a TV. This is a little stand with a coffee machine and a mirror and the dresser. Over here we have the nightstand, place to put your luggage, some more artwork, and we're going to go into the bathroom here. There's a sink area in the vanity, and then here is the bathtub and toilet. And the bathtub is a jetted tub. It's pretty large. Tile. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice room in a very historic hotel. So this is the King's Deluxe room at the Cliff House in Manitou Springs, Colorado.